Smart workplace goes well beyond the office. For most industries, it is mainly on the field. AMA empowers frontline workers with a powerful remote assistant solution. Wherever they are, whatever they do. The XpertEye platform is perfectly adapted to their needs, location, and workforce, making it the smart workplace solution of choice. Providing them with expert advice in real time through a highly secured interface to boost their productivity and skills. XpertEye allows easy interaction on any device with real-time data and knowledge sharing, leading to increased work efficiency, faster skill transfer, and decreased resolution time. The XpertEye platform supports multiple video sources, from lightweight to heavy-duty smart glasses, but also devices such as a microscope, an endoscope, or a thermal camera. Each device is perfectly integrated into the XpertEye solution to gain additional insights and make better decisions. The secured multi-party video conferencing tool is designed to get experts involved for immediate support, even if network coverage is poor. Discover how numerous organizations each day are making their transition to remote collaboration by implementing XpertEye by AMA.